My name is Michael, and I'm graduating from the front-end portion of Nucamp's Coding Bootcamp. This is the website that I built. This is a photography portfolio business site. This is geared more towards, actually my wife is a photographer, so that's where the inspiration came. Because we just have a hero image here with the business name. We have a carousel, which we can control with the indicators, or we can use our keyboard as well to navigate through it. Our footer help us navigate as well. I use the Jeffsum Lorem Ipsum generator. It's actually Jeff Goldblum's quotes from different movies. It's a lot of Jurassic Park in here, which good sense of humor. Our contact form is using our React Redux form. It's control, so we definitely have to write something in it, not mechanically. This one is optional, so there's no messages in here. This one, we have to at least write 20 characters, at least where it says, I need you to take family pictures or newborn pictures or something along those lines. And then we have our gallery. All these pictures are taken from Unsplash. However, they do resemble my wife's photography style. So we scroll down, we see this little button here appear, and that helps us just scroll back up smoothly. Just pretty much more of the same. This originally was in a different layout. This is the original site. We have no header here. Our header's coming up with this, and it has a sticky top, so it stays there. And our gallery is to just tap pills. But the way this was laid out, I was missing out on the animation, and I actually didn't like the layout at the end of the day. Good thing about React is you can just mix and match, take everything apart, and put it back together the way you want. And now for the code. And now for the code. Here, I was didn't have a clear path of how I wanted to go, so I was experimenting. I have a mixture of function components as well as class components. Now that I have a little bit more experience, I think I'm going to lean more towards function components, as well as using hooks. This is my first time using hooks. So for our scroll button, and using the hooks to change the state from visible to invisible. Just like really cool how to do that with a hook, with our use state. And that on our main component, I use the latest version 6, I believe, from React Router DOM for my routes. It's really easy. You just need a path and an element, and that's it. That's how you create your routes. My gallery component, this taught me how everything that belongs in a component should go with that component. For example, in here, these tab panes, I had my quotes, and then when I'm trying to refactor this, I realized that the component doesn't have any quotes, so I have to move the code from here to the component, which is okay, but in essence, React is made so that you can mix and match your components. You just build a component and then adjust however you want your layouts. It's also really cool using these social icons. Very, very easy. There's no way to really specify them other than the URL. Once you have the URL, it will give you the correct icon. And when you're using mail, it's mail to. Really easy peasy. Thank you very much, and that is all.